Do you know what today is, little bear? She has no idea. Your life's about to change, little bear. Well, it's the last day in my rental house that I've been in for 9 years. I think I moved in here when I was 22 and I'm now 30. It's completely empty, which is weird because when I moved in here, people were already living here, so I've never seen it this empty. This echo is insane. It's pretty surreal, but I'm excited to get going.
Kegan, are you saying bye to the house?
Good riddance. Jesus. Look at that shit.
Bear, you look ready to go.
Oh.
Ready to sleep. I'll get you all covered up here. There you go.
Hi, house. So many defining moments in my life happened in that house. I've met and lived with so many great people, and ultimately, I mean, I'm happy right now, but you know, I'm also a little sad, so. Pocahontas, Illinois.
At the Tomahawk Campground.
At the Tomahawk Campground. We got here after dark, so we don't really have an idea of what the place is super like yet, but the check-in guy was nice.
Yeah.
And then we have like no cell service, which is how we get our internet too, for like watching TV and working and playing Animal Crossing. So we're just kind of sitting here like, oh, what do we do?
We have to enjoy each other's company.
We have to enjoy each other's company. It was like, James was like, yeah, this is something that we're definitely going to have to, because obviously when we get out west, to like staying on BLM land, he was like, this is something that we're going to have to kind of get used to more, because we've lived in cities our whole life, so yeah. Figuring things out, but it's been pretty good. This is the place we're staying right now. We're in Illinois. It's a pretty nice little spot. Pretty quiet. Of course it is
Memorial Day weekend.
Memorial Day weekend, which we didn't even realize until we already booked it, but that's okay.
I think most of us recognize
There's seasonings on the bed.
we're going to bring stability back to our streets. There is a
Sometimes that's just the way it goes, and cooking in 90 square feet.
We get this up.
What you making, Chef James?
I guess tempeh melts
Tempeh melts,
with fried potatoes.
fried potatoes,
Using what we have. So, vegan cheese
bacon
on
cheese.
bread, toasted. Doesn't sound bad.
So this is the meal he created. It's kind of like, what do you call it?
Patty.
Patty melt.
Yeah.
So it's like sandwich there, some potatoes, made some Cholula and vegan mayo, ketchup. That's pretty tasty.
What's up? Find out.
Hey James,
Yeah.
what are we about to do?
See the world's largest catsup bottle. Catsup.
Catsup bottle.
Don't know why. Not ketchup.
I think that's trademark.
Yeah.
By Heinz, maybe? I don't know.
No.
We should look that up. There it is. Collinsville, Illinois. The world's largest ketchup bottle, or catsup bottle. At least that's what the sign says. I don't know if that's accurate.
You said that we need some of the largest tennis balls to put on the field.
Yeah. So here's a very large geriatric walker. We don't know if it's the largest. It's on the University of Southern Illinois Edwardsville campus. Looks like just like a bunch of pipes, and they built a little. Oh, there you go. So we're at our first stop to do laundry and take a shower. We are staying at a campsite for this first week and a half, but they say they have amenities, but a lot of their stuff doesn't work, or there's really not enough for the entire campsite. So we found a truck stop, Travel Centers of America, about 15 miles away. So we decided to come here because they offer showers and laundry units for truckers. So far it seems pretty good. James is inside doing the first little laundry. I'm chilling out here with the pups because it's a little bit warm today. We don't want people to be like, oh, they're leaving their dogs in there. You know, people get weird about that stuff. I get weird about that stuff. So it's only 83 degrees in here. It's not that bad. But so yeah, we're hanging out with these little puppy pups. Little Smurfies. My baddies. My baddies. And then I'll be headed inside to take a shower. And we'll see how that goes. I've never done it before, so hopefully it goes pretty well. I don't know why I went, but you know.
Oh boy.
So this is the shower. It's our second time doing this, actually. It's got a little toilet, complimentary towels. You can bring your own little sink, hair dryer. And this is the shower area. Decent water pressure, I'd say. Anyway, we're gonna get clean.
I'm ready.
And we're showered. Ready to go back into the world.
Much cleaner.
Much cleaner. So James, what's next for us?
Well, it looks like South Dakota.
South Dakota. Yeah, we're looking at the Badlands. We figure we go north a little bit because it'll
Maybe a bit better weather for us.
yeah, better weather. A little bit better for the dogs. So yeah, we figured starting South Dakota. We have a parks pass that we haven't got to use yet. We're super excited to use it.
Wyoming, Colorado. Who knows?
And forward.